Hello everyone, welcome to NS Coding. Today we will see how you can use picture-in-picture mode with a Chrome extension. So let's get started. First of all, we will open Google Chrome. On the upper right side you can see the extension icon, click on it. An extension pop-up will open, then click on Manage Extensions below. Click on Chrome Web Store, which is on the left side. The Chrome Web Store has opened. Now type picture-in-picture on the search bar and press enter. Click on the first web extension and then click on Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear and click on Add Extension. As you can see, the extension has been added to Chrome and is written on the upper right side. Now, just for an example, I will open a YouTube video for better understanding. I will play a video of Code with Harry. The video has started. Now click on the extension icon and then click on Picture-in-Picture. As you can see, the video is in the form of a floating video. We will minimize the Chrome and you can also adjust the floating window size according to your convenience. Now let's open VS Code. I will adjust the floating window. You can also switch applications without any issue. This is the best extension for coding or programming. Now let's close it. So that is it for today, see you in another video. Till then, bye bye. See you, take care and thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions or ideas let me know that in the comments.